हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरी लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाउनको लागि बेल आइकनलाई क्लिक गर्न नभुल्नुहोला।
Let's have a look at Xiaomi's all-new Mi 9T. In the box, you'll find some instruction manuals, a protective case and SIM ejector tool, and a charging cable with 18-watt wall plug. The Mi 9T has a notchless full-screen design with a 6.39-inch AMOLED display, which is great for watching video or playing games. In this screen, there's an all-new and much faster optical in-screen fingerprint sensor, which feels really fast and snappy. On top, you're probably happy to find a 3.5mm headphone jack next to the 20-megapixel pop-up selfie camera. And because this front-facing camera pops out, it results in much more screen real estate, while still being able to take your selfies. Also new is the ability to take panorama selfies. With this, you can take much wider photos with the selfie camera. On the bottom of the phone, you'll find a dual SIM card slot and USB-C port supporting 18-watt fast charging of its 4,000 mAh battery. Yes, a 4,000 mAh battery. That's right. As it could give you about 2 days of battery life. It means more usage time and less of this. Also, you'll find a larger speaker that is a lot louder and gives a much fuller sound experience. Back at the phone has this really cool looking holographic layered design. Here you'll find a 3-camera setup with a 4-megapixel high-resolution lens, a 2x optical zoom photo lens, and a 124.8 ultra-wide-angle lens. And that's very cool. It's kind of like having this, but then on this. New on the Mi 9T is the easy switching between the 3 lenses from the camera, and it's super easy to switch to shooting high-resolution 48-megapixel photos. The Mi 9T is powered by the Snapdragon 730, providing increased performance over previous generations, and faster is, well, better. This is the all-new Xiaomi Mi 9T. You can find out more at mi.com.